On 23, it asks you to solve a given equation for the interval 0 is less than theta, which is less than, 0 is less than or equal to theta, which is less than or equal to 2 pi. So, first, let's go ahead and get this into the tangent, or whatever trigonometric function equals some value, by adding this to the other side. So, plus the square root of 3. So we get tangent theta equals the square root of 3. So you could go ahead and punch this in your calculator as like tan inverse of the square root of 3. Or, I mean, you could go ahead and actually find on the unit circle where it equals the square root of 3. And that's probably the better bet, because you got to find it for this entire interval, which is the unit circle. But say you did go ahead and punch this into your calculator. Well, you'll probably get out pi over 3. But that's not it, because tangent inverse has a restriction. It's restricted to negative pi over 2 is less than y, which is less than pi over 2. So basically, it only finds values in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4, because this is pi over 2, and this is this is negative pi over 2, and this is pi over 2. So when you type this in your calculator, and you get pi over 3, which is up here, there's another value out there that you got to find. So how you find that is you have to reflect this into another quadrant. And to know which quadrant it is, you look at tangent. So this value is positive. So we want to find the other quadrant where tangent is positive. Well, tangent is positive here, negative here, and again positive here. So we need to reflect this line into quadrant 3. And then you find what value that is by just whatever pi over 3 that is in that quadrant. And I know that it's 4 pi over 3. So my answers would be pi over 3 and 4 pi over 3. That's how you do it if you did it on the calculator. Otherwise, you could just get your unit circle and look, where is tangent the square root of 3 of 3? Square root of 3, sorry.